In tropical rainforest, most of the energy in ecosystem flows through option A, grazing food chain, option B, detritus food chain, option C, parasitic food chain, and option D, both 1 and 3. The correct answer is option B, detritus food chain.